It's my pleasure to introduce here the Deputy Chief Minister for the state of Karnataka in India, D.K. Shivakumar. The floor is yours. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I come from India, a great city, you all know, with a big population of around 1.4 million, and a very vibrant country with a huge population and a big talent pool. Country is preparing for next 25 years what the city has to be. And I come from a stage of Bangalore, which India is being seen through Bangalore. That is the IT capital of the Asia. To tell one thing, the population is Bangalore, Karnataka is growing like anything, especially the urban population. Almost now it's 40%, it may reach up to 50% in the next 20-25 years. We are preparing ourselves what to do for Bangalore and Karnataka and looking at India. As you all right know, California has 1.3 IT professionals, but as for Bangalore has 2.5 million of IT professionals. This is the biggest strength. The entire urbanization is moving towards India. It may reach till to 48% in the future. So we are all, especially on the mobility and the infrastructure development. Well, so every businessman all over the world leaders, first fly to Bangalore through India. First they doesn't want to come to Delhi. They try to reach Bengaluru. This is what the world leaders are looking at. So we are preparing well. So I would like to share you that it is a city of innovation, research, tech. All the Fortune 500 companies are staying at Bangalore. A big talent pool anywhere in the world. I think I don't want to compare any place, but this talent pool on anything, it may be aerospace, it may be R&D centers, it may be IT professional on medical, especially in Karnataka. We have almost 110 million of the healthcare structure what we have. 70 medical colleges, we have about 1.5 million doctors which we produced every year in the health sector. This is the city where I come from. So I would like to all of you, this is a city for future. We invite everyone. Now already all the global leaders are working there. They have been growing up. But I would like all of us to come to the city. We'll all work together. We'll make you stronger. I always tell, joining together is the beginning. Discussing, thinking together is the progress. And working together will be the success for making all of you very strong. So this is the city for the future, where all of you are looking at. Beautiful climate is being there. The culture is at the utmost. The talent pool is at the sky. So let us come, let us work together. Please visit our city. We all are there to work with you. Thank you.